So hi guys, welcome to another episode of Vinny Love. It's your girl Vinny, and I'm back again with a new YouTube video. So I'm leaving Nairobi. I'm going to Mombasa to collect a few of my other stuff that I left at my parents' house, and then there's also a little victory bash for UN that I'm purposing to attend. Guys, I'm already getting cold sores. I hate them. They tend to come on my lips a lot. I hate it when it does. But anyway, yeah. So I'm on my way to Mombasa right now. I'm just grabbing a few other stuff and then leave the house. So outfit of the night, I'm wearing this thingy, Chris Brown, whatever, with this t-shirt and jeans plus socks because it's cold and I'm having in a week because I just didn't want to style it really. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you when I see you. Let me show you guys the actual OOTD. So I'm wearing these Crocs because these are the only two pairs of shoes that I brought to Nairobi. So I'll be wearing these. Oh my god, it's still wet. So that's what I'm wearing. I'm gonna miss my house, you guys. I can't wait to be back. Yes. So let me look this. I'm starving. I'm starving. I hope I've carried everything. Chargers. Okay. I think I've carried everything. So yeah. Tell me why I'm living by myself, but I can never live when I'm going to bed, I have to lock my bedroom door. I don't know why. Maybe it's just because I'm by myself or something. I've not even called the Uber. I should probably not switch off the lights yet. Oh God. So, okay. The next time you guys are going to see me, I'm probably going to be. So the next time you guys are gonna see me, I'm probably going to be in Mombasa. So yeah. So guys, I'm editing a video and I'm editing this video and I feel like I got to Mombasa and I didn't do a proper intro to the activities that I was having afterwards, and I feel like I can present those videos way better. So I'm recording this just to explain to you guys what is happening. So I got to Mombasa and I got to Mombasa on Friday. On Saturday I was purposing to attend to UN Victory Bash, UNSA Victory Bash, for the student leaders that are now in I say the government, the school government, yeah. And so the Victory Bash that was happening, people were supposed to go for a hike. I think 5-kilometer hike, 2.5 kilometers forth and 2.5 kilometers back at Shimba Hills, and then we were to see I think it's called the Sheldrick Waterfalls. And then afterwards, people went to a UN campus, Diani, where people who who would have loved to like spend the night, come there and do that, but my friend and I didn't spend the night, so we went back home. And I didn't record this at home when I was in Mombasa because I don't know, I thought I had set an alarm for 5:30 a.m. because the event was to start by 7 a.m. That's what their little poster said, only for me to wake up at 6:30 a.m. So I was in a rush, so I didn't do a proper video explaining what was happening. But yeah, this is what was happening. We were going to Shimba Hills for a hike, and then later on go to UN Nairobi University of Nairobi campus, Diani campus. What am I saying? Yeah, so people would spend the night there, but we didn't. We went back home that day. That's happened. So yeah.
Lakini ile wacha tu ni honest. Mimi sijuangi kudance. Mimi uko mtenye mtu.
They're in a better state.
Kuna maji? Kuna ndoo? Kuna ndoo. At least ingekuwa na ndoo ungemwaga ndoo uingie. Nafikiria.
Mimi hata ninakanyaga choo kabisa. Oh, nice. That's so nice. Oh, now I'm seeing it. Lakini ni shade bado. Bado ni shade.
Sasa utakunyambia zingine ndo hazina shade.
Yule anajiweza anaweza beba chupa moja, alafu akirudi achukue nyingine. Yule anaona kidogo taklifu anaweza beba mbili. Sawa sawa. Let's stay strong.
Vax.
Yes.
Come on, that's back.
Very different.
Unawaka?
Kama ni kwenda ndio waweza kauka. Asante niambia wapi bebangu akubadilisha tena sasa hivi. Usiku na zile cargo. Utavaa dede. Komando. Kutumia nini? Tulia. Nina soda. Nataka ni elaborate stack. Pesa zangu nazikunja tazani wale ofisa wa traffic. Basi juzi babangu ajua ana tenant ambaye yuko hivyo. Sasa juzi akaletezo pesa bunda hivi 50 seriously? Nikasema tu hii ni hongo yote ya So hey guys, I'm back in Nairobi. I'm just from sleeping and I woke up and I'm like, you know what? I need a heater for this room. I was to go in the morning, but I picked sleeping over leaving the house. So right now I think I'll go, but I'm looking at the Uber prices. They're crazy. They're a bit too high, but then again, it's almost 4 p.m, so it's almost rush hour. So I'm guessing that's the reason behind it. But let's go. I need a heater. I'm hoping to not pick anything else because the main thing is getting a heater plus seeing the prices for the gas cooker and the fridge so that I can know how I can budget myself and get those items, because like right now I'm starving, I'm so hungry and I can't cook, you know, and looking at eating out is quite expensive, honestly. So yeah, so I'm going to go there, gauge how much I need for the gas cooker plus the fridge, or get the gas first and then the fridge later. But I just need to know the pricing of stuff before I make a decision on where I'm going to purchase the appliances, because I'm seeing Ramptons have offers. I'm seeing Naivas has offers as well. So I just want to go to China Square and see the offers as well, or the pricing and stuff. Plus I googled and it's saying that right now it's busy. So and I know, you know, from what I've heard, when it gets busy, it's actually busy. So I don't know. But what I know is that I need that heater in this room at least. Because if anything, the cold, it's eating me up. So yeah, let's go. I think I'll wear, should I wear a cap or a Marvin? I feel like a Marvin is going to be like, oh yeah, she's not from here. But at least for a cap, it's going to be like, oh yeah. Yeah, so let me just put on a wig and then with a cape. And then go out. Let's see. I'm moving you on this train. Let's see. My bed is a bit messy. Very messy at that. Because I just left and I threw literally everywhere. Oh, guys, tell me why I put a lock on my suitcase. So I did put a lock on my suitcase. And I tried opening it. Opening it. So I tried opening it, but I just couldn't. I know the passcode, but I just couldn't. I guess that's the reason as to why I didn't even leave the house in the morning and go to China Square, because it threw me off. Because I'm like, this is the code I used. Why is it not opening? And it has like all my shirts up there. And if you know me, I'm a shirts girl. I only literally have one pair of shirts with me here, of which I'm carrying it. And so I don't know what to do. But I was googling about you know, recovering the passcode and stuff. And they're telling me there's a little button I can press and then change the passcode if I forgot the password or something. Let me comb this thing. So guys, I settled for Marvin. My Uber guy is almost here. So I'm about to leave. I just hope not to spend on stuff that I didn't intend to. Plus, I'm hoping to find something that my face is a bit rough, so I'm hoping to find something that you know would even out my face. I was using the other stuff in the other video that I said they were going to help lighten these dark spots. So I was using it, and I realized it's sort of bleaching. So I had to stop using it. Plus my dad also mentioned that I should stop because it's messing with my skin tone. So I stopped using it. Now I'm trying to find something else that I can use that does not bleach the skin, honestly. So yeah, but when I was using it, this roughness went away completely. Like my face got so smooth when I was using that thing. Now it's back to its old ways. It's not very rough. And since Chinese people know so much about what's it called? So much about skincare. You guys are seeing my other bathroom. Honestly, I could change this pants. I could change them. So yes, guys, see you when I get there. Bye. The Uber is 2 minutes away, so I need to like finish up doing some other stuff.
I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. There's so much more that I feel. I won't stop until I uncover. I believe in what I feel. I won't stop until I discover all that's beyond. I'll align higher. I'm the one beating my heart's pattern, following the signs. They say I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer. I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who happen to life instead of it happening to them. I wonder if I'll make a difference like that, even if it don't happen fast. There's so much more that I feel. I won't stop until I uncover. I believe in what I feel. I won't stop until I discover all that's beyond. I know I'll be her. I'm the one who gets to be her. I see the signs that I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer. Never lie. I stay in my hide. Let the world follow behind. I know it's all how I make my mind.
Hey guys, so the last time we talked, I was going to China Square to get a heater. I don't know if you guys can see me. Let me elongate this. So I went to get a heater because the cold wasn't doing it for me. So I wanted to go get a heater. Tell me why the heater has not solved my problems. Like, I feel like I wasted almost 20 euros, man. So like, this is the heater, okay? Pretty affordable, yes, but it did not solve my problems whatsoever. So this is it, the brand. It's less than, it's around 90 euros. Okay, 90 euros, no, around like 16 euros here. So this is it. So you have to connect it, and then for it to work, I need to press on here. So I literally have to be like this, like holding the heat. It's a heater fan, like holding the heater fan like this while I get humidified. Like, make it make sense. It's not like I wanted something that I can plug and then let it sit somewhere, you know, and I can get the humidified air or something. But this is not it. So that's an incandescent. You know, who knows, maybe it might help me out once or twice. I don't know. So I just ordered food. I'm hoping and praying that sitayarisha, because you know, like the way I don't have a gas cooker or microwave or anything to like help me cook or warm up the food. So last Tuesday I ordered, not even ordering, I went and bought pizza. It was a terrific day there. So I ordered pizza and I was like, I'm going to eat this that Tuesday night, Wednesday lunch, and Wednesday supper. Where ilikuwa niliarisha. So nilitamani sima tomato. I ordered garlic. No, black. I hope so chafu. Okay. And then I ordered with beef stew and greens. Not bad. It's a nice portion. At least saying when I put your kukulia. Okay, so I'll try and open this. Hadi sina chumvi gani, mimi napenda chumvi. Sikiangi chumvi kwa chakula. Okay. I need to get salt. Nitatoka kwa nyumba lini? Maybe tomorrow, I don't know. Jana nimetoka nimeenda nunua hizo Uber. Very expensive. Kweli nimeishi mbali. I might have to like na matatu za Nairobi nazo ziliniogopesha. Mafuta. Okay. This is how the meal is looking. It's hot though. So that feels nice on my skin, considering I'm a bit cold with skuma. Really, so let me go in my room. I need to lock this. By the way, I told you guys I had forgotten my suitcase lock. So I had googled on how I can like reset the password or whatever, the passcode, and I didn't find the button that they were the button on the bottom that they said it's supposed to be on there. I didn't see it. So they had written the other option was to use a pen or something to get in where those zippers get in so that they are locked. We knew it, and then you get to remove the zippers. So I tried using a pen, it wasn't possible. I used a knife and I did cut myself. Kidogo too. I cut myself, but I managed to open my suitcase. I got my shirts out and I'm ready. Started planning a little bit. Like kupanga vitu. Actually basically it's so warm. It feels nice. I'm ready. Okay, so yeah, let me divulge. In my lunch, could be lunch stroke dinner, I don't know, but we'll see how we feel like by
7, 8 p.m.